So after we've cleaned it, we'll actually end up putting them in a spear envelope like that and stick them in the cooler. So after we've done the harvesting, we'll bring back the seed and we'll put it in the dryer here. So it's just air being forced up through the bottom. Here you can see we can spread the seed out if we have to, and the air comes up from the bottom and you can dry the seed. So this is small enough where the seed won't fall through. What we do is we feed the seed through this hopper here, and there's a belt on the top and a belt on the bottom, and they run opposite of each other. So it's basically it's not crushing it real hard, but it's pushing enough pressure on the seed where it's pushing the seed out, and then we'll have something at the end to catch it. And then from there, that's when we would use the blower. The idea of the blower is the seed's usually going to be heavier than all your chaff and debris. So the seed will stay at the bottom and your chaff and debris will get blown to the top. So the X-ray image, it lets us know if there's an embryo in it. We don't know if it's going to be good quality seed, or if it's going to germinate well, or if it's going to be damaged or something like that. So there's an empty seed, so that wouldn't germinate, or so anything with that white, that's the embryo. So after we've cleaned it, we'll actually end up putting them in a spear envelope like that and stick them in the cooler. And then when we're ready, we'll do the germination test.